Welcome back. This is our Algebra 2 MRS22 Spring 2021 Test Number 2 review for question number 6. The first term of a geometric sequence is 8 and the fourth term is 216 was the sum of the first 12 terms of the corresponding series. Well, the sum for geometric series is going to be a different formula from the arithmetic. It's S of n equals a1, the first term, times 1 minus r raised nth power, r being a common ratio, raised nth power number of terms, all over 1 minus r. Now, we need to know a1, we need to know the common ratio, and we need to know the n value. Well, we do know the first term is 8, so we have that down. We do know what the first 12 terms, so that would be n is 12. It's the r value we're not sure about. To find the r value, we're going to use our nth term, in this case formula, because we know the fourth term is 216. Now, the nth term of a geometric sequence, in this case, will be a1 times r, the common ratio, raised to the n minus 1. Well, the fourth term means n equals 4. So when n equals 4, a4 is equal to 216, and that's equal to a1, which is 8, times r raised to the 4 minus 1. And the reason it's 4 minus 1, because again, n equals 4. So that means 216 is equal to 8 times r to the third power. Now, what to solve for r, we can use that to help us find the sum. So we divide both sides by 8, and 216 divided by 8 is going to be 27. So we're looking for a number raised to the third power is 27. Now, we can use our technique we used number 4 of raising both sides to the reciprocal of the exponent, which is 1/3. Now, you raise both sides to 1/3, really taking the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27, which will be r now, because we can raise upon another power, you multiply exponents, so 3 times 1/3 is 1. And so r is equal to the cube root of 27, which is equal to 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So we now have our r value. Now we're going to plug this into our formula, and we'll find the first 12 terms, so s of 12 is equal to 8 times 1 minus 3 to the 12th power, close parenthesis, divided by 1 minus 3. And so we enter this calculator, will be 8, open parenthesis, 1 minus 3 to the 12th. Again, close parenthesis, we're taking 3 to the 12th, not 1 minus 3 to the 12th. And we divide by open parenthesis 1 minus 3. Again, please make sure you put parentheses around the 1 minus 3, or just divide by -2. It's totally fine. So let's put this into our calculator. So we have 8, open parenthesis, 1 minus 3, raised to the 12th power, close this parenthesis, divide by, open parenthesis, 1 minus 3. Again, you can just divide by -2. That'll be the same thing. And we see in this case, this sum of the 12 terms will be 2,125,760. So our sum, 2,125,760. And this will be the sum for our first 12 terms of this geometric sequence. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our video for question number 6, and you found this video helpful. Please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when new videos are added to the channel. All right, and I hope it's helpful to you guys. Okay, again, you see a question like this on your test, yeah, definitely review it, go over it, and all, see what you guys need to find, because it'll be very similar to what we have here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you catch the other 5 questions, and of course, our last question, number 7, in the next video. All right, take care, be safe.